Scientific study of Vedas, creation of universe, starting from Brahman. Class 15. Today we are going to see what is Newton's third law of motion, and then we can compare it with the THAMO GUNA that is explained in Vedas. As per Newton's third law, every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. As per Veda, this is THAMO GUNA because it is against a Rajoguna. Rajoguna is creative work. If we are going to do any action to achieve some objective, Tamoguna is against it. Tamoguna means laziness, idleness, opposition, etc. Not interested in any change, etc. We know as per Vedas, everything is created in duality. That means these two are opposite in each other. For example, if there is good, there is bad. If there is heat, there is cold. If there is light, there is dislike. If there is love, there is hatred. If there is action, there is reaction. Everything is dual, created dual. So if there is any action, there is reaction also. If there is construction, there is destruction also. In such a way, the universe is created. So, for every action, there is equal and opposite reaction. That is clear from this Vedic Sutta itself. No other more explanations are required. Now, let us go to Sutta Rigveda 3, Sutta 1 of Sutta 56. Let us go through it.
Rigvedam Mandalam 3 Suktam 56 1 Rishi Prajapita Devata Vishwe Devanmar Chandas Trishtupa Nataminandi Maino Nathira Vrada Devanam Prathama Dhruvani Narodasi Adruha Vedyavir Naparvada Ninamedastivam Saha.
It says, demons are created along with the devas or gods. Gods are those things which help us to do our work. And the demons are those which opposes it. These are both against. If gods are doing anything, something, demons will oppose it. So this is action and reaction. Devas can be treated as action and demons can be treated as reaction. So demons are always opposing the actions of any person. So if there is any action, naturally there is an opposition. We have to overcome it. Then only we can do the work. For example, if we are trying to lift a weight, the weight will oppose it. That is why we are use force to overcome it. So there is doing anything means we are doing against some opposition. Pulling some object means the object is resisting us. To cook food, we are supplying heat. We are trying to make it soft. but the body is opposing it. That is why we are applying heat and energy. That is Indra. One is Indra, driving force, and the other is energy, heat energy. Now let us go to next mantra. That is from Yajurveda, 29 of Sukta, 9 of Sukta, 29 of Sukta 34. Now let us see what it says.
യജുർവേദം അധ്യായം 34 മന്ത്രം 29. ഋഷി കുത്സഹ, ദേവത അശ്വിനൗ, ഛന്ദഃ വിരാട് തൃഷ്ടുപ്പ്, സ്വരഃ ധൈവതഃ. അപ്നസ്വദീം അശ്വിനാ വാചമസ്മേ കൃതം നോ ദസ്രാ വൃഷണാമനീഷാം അദ്യുക്തേവസേ നിഹ്വേവാമൃതേ ച നോ ഭവദം വാജസാദൗ.
As per this sutta, devas or gods are those who support our activity. So, anything that supports our activity means we are doing some action. Devas are those which supports our activity, help to do that action. Then there is demons which are opposite. So they are working against the opposition from these gods or devas are working against the opposition to overcome the hindrances in doing some work. While doing some work, there may be opposition or hindrances or opposition or anything like that, and their devas are supporting us to overcome such oppositions. So there is opposition is there. In every action there is some opposition, that is some reaction. That is also clear from this sutta. Now let us go another sutta from Rigveda, Mandal 8, 9 of Sutta 67.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 10 സൂക്തം 67-9. ഋഷി സമ്മതപുത്രനായ മത്സ്യനോ മിത്രവരുണ പുത്രനായ മാന്യനോ, ദേവത ആദിത്യന്മാർ, ഛന്ദസ് ഗായത്രി. മന്ത്രം 9. മാനോ മൃജാരിപൂണാം വ്രജിനാനാം അവിഷ്യവഃ ദേവാ അഭിപ്രമൃക്ഷതു.
It praise God or devas to help us to overcome the opposition from the demons or asuras. From these itself it is clear that whenever we are going to do some work there is opposition. To overcome this we are using forces. These forces are devas or gods. We are using forces, we are using energy. Energy is heat energy. As per Veda, energy is heat energy. So we are using heat energy and force also to overcome such oppositions. So no more explanation is required as far as Newton's third law is concerned. From the first Vedic stance itself it is clear. That means everything is created in dual, which are opposite to each other. So if there is action, there is reaction.